ready now. Let's her start up. That's wonderful. Oh boy, that's great. Trying the crazy stuff you see here on our channel, Mr. Original Concept Garage, as they are always performed on closed off streets. Woo boy! Take my shop vac inside here when I get home, no kidding. I'm gonna have to shop vac a lot of this crap out of here. Yep. Look at that wiring there, man. I mean, that's just terrible, dude. Look, I didn't even plug up whatever that is. I don't know what that is, but I hope it ain't important. Huh, no kidding, right? I mean, dude, what does this even go to? I'd love to know what that goes to. I don't know if it's important or not. It's hard to tell. I mean, there's wires missing and, huh? I got you. That needs to have a battery on it anyway. That battery's, I got one at home. I don't know if I got two or not. Yep. We're gonna have to use Chevy to get Dodge going. Bad, huh? Yeah, but that Chevy right there's been reliable, son. That's been real reliable. It's been one hell of a truck, I tell you. This is the new one to the fleet. Mr. Original Concept fleet. And the newest edition, anyways. We're gonna start tearing this sucker down. We're gonna start redoing it. If Charlie can ever get her act right, then she'll get this truck. Let's hope she does what she's supposed to do. No kidding. When I was in the Marine Corps, this is what I drove, 6.5 turbo diesels. That's right. You one and only Lukin Duke was a Marine. Lance Corporal. I call it Terminal Lance. That don't look good at all. That looks nasty. No kidding, it looks gross. Here's another thing we'll be doing soon. I'm taking, probably redo all this right here. That's some nasty looking stuff in there. Look at that. Ooh. Alright, Pepper, let's see what we can do now. Wires that I ain't uploaded the one where I started screaming like a little pansy with a cat. Ooh, this is Lukin Duke's truck right here. This is my Power Ram 250 Cummins turbo diesel. I need to start it up, actually. I need to go get some diesel put in it. Fires right up, the truck does. Fires right up. Oh my God. That's up living in my truck. You little. Oh, that ain't good. At least I keep the mice out of it, I guess. Oh, my God, is it? Yeah, that freaked me. That's good out there. Get living shit. Y'all can laugh at me all you want. You can scream too, yeah? Hey, at least I didn't laugh like what they do. This thing's gonna look good with our logo on the back. The windshield.
Yeah. Catnip.
I mean, this thing's gonna look so good. It's gonna be awesome driving this thing up, pulling up the different, you know, rides and stuff like down in Tennessee in this thing. Oh God, it's gonna be awesome.
We need to put like a small lift on here. I mean, like not nothing monstrous, nothing big, just like something to, you know, kind of give it that stance. You know.
We'll just bring the wheels out some, you know. I don't know, like.
Bring the wheels out.
You know, just make it more.
Well, you're gonna buy wheels for it anyway, you said.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna get
just
some.
Buy some reverse disc.
That's what we'll get. Yeah.
Like my Jeep.
Some real, yeah, wide wheels and stuff. Yeah.
Like my Jeep.
Give it a wider stance and stuff. Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, like, I'm talking about something to like give it a little more ground clearance, to get up off the ground a little more.
It'd be hard to load a bike then, wouldn't it?
No. If you buy one of those ramps like I was talking about.
Well, yeah, of course.
But I mean, like right now, the suspension is sagging.
We're gonna have to get new suspension on it. Well, it's gonna have to have new suspension on it.
If
Period.
you're gonna do that, why not? Dude, you can buy the lift pieces cheaper than you can buy the factory shit.
Oh, I mean, then we'll just go that route then.
Honestly,
I mean that's a given. If it's cheaper, then why not?
I mean, on like marketplace, you can buy like secondhand lift kits on there for pretty decently priced. I mean, that's you know, people that have wrecked.
Yeah.
Stuff and taking them off.
Yeah, because this thing's gonna have to have new suspension put on it. I figured it would.
Like all the bushings, like.
Oh God, yeah, that's all has to be redone.
Dry rotted, like coming apart. Like,
yeah, I seen that.
All the bushings are wore plumb out.
The frame's good. That's a good part.
Oh, like, I mean, the frame's good. Like, it's a one-owner vehicle, and like, it's not got that many miles on it. It's just been rough miles. What it's got.
Yep.
They like drove it in the fields.
And these trucks are getting scarce too.
Taking cows.
You know what? These trucks are getting really scarce. These are becoming hard to find. Like, period. Like this model right here is getting hard to find. Period. That's just survived.
We should build the Dodge that Dodge never built.
All right, that'd be nice.
And the Dodge that Dodge should have built.
It'd be a lot to convert this some back over.
It would not. You could use the same frame. You can take an extended cab and put it right on this frame.
Well, if that's the case, then we'll just do that.
And
like with the short bed.
This truck right here is, I mean, there's like 2 inches difference in this truck and the extended cab short wheelbase. It's no joke. The hardest part.
We'll just put a different bumper on the back.
I put a roll pan. Put your roll pan and like have the reach hitch come through the license plate thing and like fix it to where the license plate flips down and like you can put your reach in.
There you go. Oh, that'd be cool.
That was how I had that one truck of mine fixed. I took two of those.
Well, we're gonna look. Hey, y'all out here on YouTube, we're looking for a doghouse right now for a good price. I mean, we ain't made of money, trust me.
We're looking for a extended cab short wheelbase truck, second gen.
At 150, you know, I guess they're all.
It doesn't matter if it's 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive. We're looking for one at a good price, a decent cab, good bed. You know, just the body basically.
Yeah.
But I mean, if it's, you know, just a roller, it don't matter.
We'll take y'all with us on this journey.
Because we're not going to use the frame, we're not going to use the motor or transmission.
We just want the doghouse and
we just want the body, sheet metal, and stuff like that.
Y'all heard that now. You heard it here first.
If any of y'all can help us out,
for real, because like I said, we ain't. Hey,
comments.
You are helping a disabled veteran. I'll tell you that right now. Live his dream. One of my best friends, Trace, he had a truck like that. His was long bed though, but it's a extended cab, and it's my dream to have a white one like his. So help me live my dream, and I'll take you with me on the ride. Sure will. If we see y'all out, we'll give you a ride. We don't care, as long as you don't kill me. As long as you don't knife me for it, damn it.
Don't eat my liver with some fava beans.
You're right. I don't want to wake up in a bathtub later, you know, and one of those nightmares happen, you know, like, because knowing my luck, that would happen.
Like, hey man, you got any of them Chianti beans?
You know the dream you have being naked in front of school? Well, that happened to this guy right here, me. I could have freaked out, and I didn't. Instead, I went with the Captain Morgan stance. I had to. They make fun of me the rest of my days if I didn't. I had to own that shit. Own it. I ain't gonna lie, I turned red as a hot chili pepper, but my face and stuff was redder than that cord right there, I tell you. It really was. It was, man. I could have killed him. I could have killed him, man. Oh, dude. Well, he didn't mean to, dude. It's just, we had to, let's see, it was the National Guard to come to our school with the big, like, obstacle course, you know, like, the inflatable thing. And dude, that thing was awesome. Like, it was like some of the first ones that we were in gym class during that time. And we were running through it, like half the school was like coming in there. I'll never forget that. Oh, we both went to the big 2 circles we can jump through. We both jumped through it. He snagged my shorts and I went through it naked.
Wow.
He grabbed my boxers and my shorts, dude. Now I didn't have a t-shirt on. So I went to the other side, just in my shoes. Or no, socks. We weren't allowed to wear shoes, yeah. Socks only. So yeah, you gotta do it like this, Captain Morgan style, boys and girls. Don't do that. You'll get decent exposure charges. And I've been a part of that shit too. Forget, man. We went over to those races over Casey County. Oh crap. Made you look.